There's a woodpecker up there somewhere. Where is that woodpecker? They're really sensitive to noise. There's some people walking up here talking loud. Here's the dove. Where is that woodpecker? Is it in that branch up there? I think that must be it in that branch. But I can't quite get it on the phone. There he is. That's him. Barely got one little glimpse of him. He's pecking away on that dead branch. There it is. They're neat little creatures. And apparently you can identify the different woodpeckers by the way that they tap. When they're, I guess when they're tapped, like when they're really going full blast, they can. Anyhow, they just have a different rhythm. If you remember over at the aquarium, they had a little display of the different types of woodpecker sounds, and you could practice hitting on things with a little hammer to try and replicate the frequency of the different woodpecker noises. So we had the downy woodpecker, pileated woodpecker, and another one. I can't even think of the other one right now. But we have three woodpeckers native to this area. It's pretty neat. You can see it's sun's setting fast these days. Still a nice temperature though. It's in the 60s. Feels good. Enjoy every day. I love you.